Maintaining large outdoor surfaces like driveways and patios has led to a surge in demand for efficient cleaning tools. While speed is the primary appeal for homeowners and professional contractors, achieving a streak-free finish is the ultimate goal. This guide evaluates the top-rated surface cleaners based on their build quality, maneuverability, nozzle efficiency, and overall value, ensuring you find an attachment that turns hours of work into minutes. Product number 1. 14-inch pressure washer surface cleaner with 4 wheels. The 14-inch pressure washer surface cleaner with 4 wheels is a standout choice for residential users who prioritize ease of movement and consistent results. Constructed from durable, powder-coated stainless steel, this unit is built to resist the corrosive nature of outdoor work and the high-pressure environment of gas-powered washers. Its 14-inch diameter strikes a perfect balance, large enough to cover significant ground quickly, yet compact enough to maneuver around tight corners and walkways. What truly sets this model apart is its 4-wheel caster system. Unlike hover-style cleaners that rely on water pressure to stay afloat, these wheels provide a fixed height from the ground, ensuring an even cleaning path and preventing the unit from wandering or leaving uneven swirl marks. It is rated for pressures up to 4,000 psi, making it compatible with most heavy-duty gas units, though it performs exceptionally well even with mid-range electric washers, minimum 2,500 psi recommended. Product number 2. Westinghouse Universal 16.5-inch pressure washer surface cleaner attachment. The Westinghouse Universal 16.5-inch surface cleaner is a powerhouse designed for those with massive driveways and a need for professional-grade speed. Featuring a generous 16.5-inch cleaning path, this attachment is one of the largest in its class, significantly reducing the number of passes required to clean a standard 2-car driveway. It is rated for a maximum of 3,400 psi, making it a perfect match for the most popular residential gas pressure washers. The design features a high-grade plastic housing that keeps the unit lightweight, approximately 6 pounds, which is a blessing for vertical cleaning tasks like siding or garage doors. The rotating spray bar uses dual high-pressure jets to create a hover effect, allowing it to float across surfaces with minimal physical effort from the user. Its 1/4-inch quick connect fitting ensures universal compatibility with standard spray wands. Product number 3. Miko Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner 20-inch. For those tackling commercial-sized jobs or massive rural properties, the Miko 20-inch pressure washer surface cleaner is the heavy-duty solution. Boasting a staggering 20-inch cleaning diameter, this beast is designed to cover 8 times more ground than a standard nozzle alone. It is built to handle professional-grade power, with a maximum pressure rating of 4,500 psi and a flow rate capability of up to 10.5 GPM with nozzle adjustments. The Miko is built with impact-resistant PP housing, the same high-density material used in car bumpers, ensuring it doesn't crack under pressure or sunlight. It features 4 large 2.5-inch thick wheels that provide incredible stability on rougher concrete. The dual high-speed spinning nozzles are precision-engineered to eliminate striping, a common issue with larger low-quality cleaners. Product number 4. Westinghouse Universal 15-inch pressure washer surface cleaner attachment. The Westinghouse Universal 15-inch surface cleaner is the Goldilocks of the group, offering just the right size and power for the average suburban home. Rated at 3,400 psi, it is specifically optimized for gas washers, but is efficient enough to work with high-end electric models. At just 4 pounds, it is exceptionally easy to transport and store, making it a favorite for homeowners who only clean their patios once or twice a year. This model focuses on a splash-free experience. The thick brush skirt around the perimeter does an excellent job of containing the high-pressure spray, meaning you won't end your cleaning session covered in mud and grime. It connects seamlessly to any 1/4-inch quick connect wand and includes a 180-day warranty for peace of mind. Product number 5. 14-inch pressure washer surface cleaner with 4 wheels, Pro Spec. Rounding out our list is another variation of the 14-inch stainless steel surface cleaner with 4 wheels, often favored by professional detailers. This version emphasizes all-metal construction, from the housing to the spray bar, ensuring there are no plastic parts to fail under constant daily use. It is specifically designed to work with pressures up to 4,000 psi, providing the punch needed for deep-set oil stains and aged moss. The inclusion of the 4-wheel system here is vital for professional use, as it reduces operator fatigue during long shifts. By supporting the weight of the metal housing on the wheels, the user only needs to guide the unit rather than hold it up. The dual nozzle spray bar is balanced to rotate at high RPMs, delivering a streak-free finish that is essential for professional reputation.